Hey guys, it's Mr. Walker, and we're going to be talking about transformations of different graphs. I've got Desmos up right here, so that way you can kind of see different ways that a graph can move along the different axes. So right now we have our main linear function y equals mx plus b. This value right here, where it says m equals 1, is my slope, and my b right here would be my y-intercept. So just to show you, if I was to move my slope to a 3, that changes the way that my line looks. As you can tell right here, the slope is a little bit steeper. My b value hasn't changed because that's where the y-intercept is. If I was to change my y-intercept, let's say we changed it to 5, that tells me that not only is my line steep, but where it crosses the y-axis is in a different position. So if I was to manipulate my line like this, now I have a negative slope for this equation right here. When we look at quadratics, so we have f of x equals my a value, then we have parentheses x minus h, close parentheses, plus k. I'm going to add sliders to all of them. Oops, forgot the square. So what this tells me right here is, set it up to the regular values right here. This gives me a value, a value of 1. We have an a value of 1. This here is my parent function for a quadratic. Now, if I am to manipulate my a value, if my a is greater than 1, it is stretching the value of a. And what the stretch is think of a rubber band. Think of as the rubber band is being pulled up, it makes the U shape in that rubber band skinnier. That's what we're talking about as far as a stretch. Now, if my a value is less than 1 but bigger than 0, my graph is compressed. So think of something like if you sit on it like a beanbag and it goes out further. That's what shows the compression. My h value, that shows the horizontal movement. So based off of this right here, self-explanatory. It moves it to the left or to the right. So right here would be an h value of 3. And then my k value would be my vertical movement. So that tells me how much I go up or how much I go down. The last thing that we do is a reflection. So if I have a reflection of my a value, what that does is it turns it upside down. So I have an a value of -1. My h value is a -4. And my k value is a 3. So it's showing that my parabola flips upside down. It is moved 4 units to the left and moved 3 units up.